Welcome guys, today I'm gonna tell you about Telegram X. You have to go on the Play Store and search for Telegram X. You can see over here Telegram X. You can see in the pictures the interface of Telegram X. Believe me, this is very secure and very interesting app. You will get a lot of features in it, just like WhatsApp, and you can also use it as alternative of WhatsApp. After installing this app on your device, you have to open it and you will see this introduction interface. You have to tap on the start messaging. Now you have to fill your mobile number over here. They will send a code on your device on the mobile number which you have filled, and then you have to do two-step verification by using any password. You have to fill a password, and after that you will enter in this. Here you have to allow for the contacts. You can see the interface is just similar to as in the pictures. You can turn off that night mode. Here in the right side you will see calls, and now we are going to the settings. Now in the themes, here we can change the emoji style, Apple, Google or many other, whatever you want to choose. Now we go in the wallpapers, and you have to allow for the permissions. You can set any wallpaper whatever you like according to your choice. I am choosing this wallpaper. Here you can change the theme of the app, any color whatever you want. I am choosing red color because I like it. You can set the night mode as automatic or scheduled. I am choosing automatic. Now in the interface options you can change the language whatever you feel comfortable in. In the data and storage, you can set the data saver on when switching to mobile data or when switching to roaming. So you will got a lot of options you can set according to your want. You can also share the link of the chat or any video to other members or other contacts of Telegram. You can also share the link to any other app. You can copy the link. Here you will get a lot of apps to share the link with. You also can tap to zoom by tapping on any chat. My name is Rahul and thanks for watching.